this is the final creation. Got a pressure washer hooked up to the Pelton wheel. A voltmeter right here to measure the AC voltage output. And pressure washer is aimed right at the middle of the pedal. About to fire it up and see what happens.
Well, this is it, folks.
Not very much voltage output.
Slowly climbing.
Alright guys, I just want to talk briefly about how the Pelton was actually supposed to work. Usually you have a very high body of water. Right here I have it written at 5 meters, which is a little over 15 feet, coming down, and it'll go into a nozzle, and that'll spin the Pelton wheel. The Pelton wheel will be hooked up to a generator, and the generator then generates electricity. Just from the generic row GH for pressure from height, we get 49,050 pascals, which equates to roughly 7.114 psi. And due to the dimensions of the Pelton wheel we have outside, we'd have about 170.469 pounds per paddle from that height. Coming over here to Bernoulli's principle, we can adjust for the generic Bernoulli's principle, and pressure at 1 will be equal to the atmospheric pressure. Pressure 2 will be atmospheric pressure as well coming out of the nozzle. We won't have much velocity because it'll be a large tank and or body of water, but we have our rho GH, which is 1,000 rho, 9.81 for gravity, in 5 meters. Then we'll have a velocity for the second portion. We can start solving for that. The rho's cancel out, and we end up with the velocity being the square root of 2gh. Plugging in our numbers, we can solve for it, and we'd have about 9.9 meters per second of water coming out of the nozzle. If we solve for the force of that, which is 1/2 rho v squared, we'd have the exact same pascals that we would over here, which makes sense. But due to that flow rate and the diameter of the Pelton wheel that we have, we would only equate to about 4.774 RPM. However, due to the massive amount of pressure, pounds per square paddle, we're going to call it that, we'd be able to handle a lot more torque in a much bigger generator. So we would be able to generate a lot more electricity just from it having that amount of volume and that height. Anyway, thank you for joining me on this. It's been fun, it's been a pain, it's been expensive. Don't build your own. Have a good day.